Okay, good morning, good afternoon. I know it's Monday. We're on lesson 7 now, 2-7, chapter 2, lesson 7. Let's go ahead and get circled up if you're at home, or if you need to watch us again, it's just a quick review. We're going to do numbers 1 through 11 tonight, and this is posted in the Schoology. Okay, uh, so I'm 1 through 11. We're not going to do 12. And then I'm going to jump to number 18. So we're going to jump clear over to this page, which is 153. 18 is actually already done, so we're going to do numbers 19 to 31. Okay, so hopefully you're circling up with me, so we can get on the same page here. Okay, and then we're going to try and we'll skip this back part. I'll adjust the page in just a few minutes. But that's our homework tonight. We're going to be finding percents of a number. Good lesson. Certainly a calculator lesson. There's a lot of different methodology to do this. I'm going to show you the direct, easiest way I can. And I'll show you another way. The next lesson, lesson 8, will be a problem because we're going to have to set up some proportions and we're going to have to maybe spend a couple days on it. So anyway, let's get rocking and rolling here. Have your handy dandy calculator ready. Have it fired up and cleared up. All right, 32% of 60. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but I'm going to teach you the easiest way right now. 32% of in math means to multiply 60. So we're just going to punch this right into our calculator. So I know this number is going to be less than 30, 50% of it. But anyway, 32% of 60 is 19.2. So find the percent of each number. It's 19 and 2/10. Of tells us to multiply. Let's try that again. 55% of tells us to multiply. All right. So it's 55 hundredths percent of 220. And there it is, 1 and 21 hundredths. Okay. 275% of 4. I know this number is going to be greater than 4 because 100% of 4 is 4. Right? So let's go with that. 275% of 4. And what do we get? 11. So nothing difficult so far. It's just still multiplication. Of's telling us to multiply. I think that's the easiest way to do it, right? Troy wants to buy a jersey of his favorite MLS team. The jersey is 30% off the original price. If the original price of the jersey is 35, what is the amount, all right, Troy will save? Okay, so we're going to find what he's going to save, not pay. So we're going to find $35, okay, and we're going to find 30% of that. That's what he's going to save, right? So let's go. 35 times 30%. And remember, I can multiply in any way because of the commutative property. So he's going to save $10.50. Remember, it's money. Okay, so that's a good start. Let's jump into the homework here and do some more problems because there's going to be some challenging ones in here. So there is. Okay, all right. So here we are. Sorry, they're stuck together on me there. Let me get situated here. We're going to kind of go down, maybe just do these 4 together here, okay? So the cafeteria at Midtown Middle School surveyed 575 students about their favorite food. Find the number of students responding for each of the following. All right, so 8% of the 575. So 8% of 575 is what? Right, so let's go. 8% of 575 is 46. And let me fix my 5 there. It's 46 students. Make sure you label. Right, and you're going to continue to do that same thing here for each of the foods. Find the percent of each number. Again, of tells us to multiply. Okay. 9/10% of 1,000 is 9. See that? And just circle it. That's just straight computation. We're going to do more of the same here. The original price of a pair of shoes is $42. The sale price is 20% off the original. What is the amount of the original price? Amount off the original price, excuse me. Okay. So if we have $42 and we want to find 20% of that because it's 20, the sale price is 20% off of that, all we're going to do is find 20% of that. Sometimes they want some different scenarios, so we got to be very careful. 20% times 42 is $8.40. And that is what's taken off of that. So if they were asking me what would be the sale price, I would take this and subtract that from it. Okay. All right, let's try one more here. And these word problems, I really enjoy them. 24 students in Jamal's class are wearing tennis shoes. There are 30 students in the class. 24. Jamal says that 70% of his class is wearing tennis shoes. Is he correct? So we need to find out what 70% of 30 is and see if it's 24. So let's write out what we know. 70% of 30, is that 24? Well, let's find out. 70% of 30 is 21. So therefore, all right, that is 21 students, not 24. So no, he is not correct. Because 70% of 30 is 21 students, not 24. So again, you're going to be getting into these things. Make sure that you read, make sure that you label, and take your time and underline pieces of information in the word problems or circle them that jump out at you and that you need. Okay, guys, continue on your homework, please. Have a good day.